I just had a feeling we'd get a good storm today.
Ugh, those clouds. And the songs 113 had to play while
That cloud right there looks about weird.
That does. I would like to get a better look at it somehow. If I could just do that. Whoa, okay, that does look weird. Can't see it on the camera though.
Yeah, it's too dark.
Yeah, looks like all the bolts are to the east now. They've been for a little while now. If you can hold this for a second, I'm gonna go ahead and turn the Jeep around. That is my Jeep. I apologize. It's being weird. It's still doing it. It's not supposed to do it when it's starting up, right? Wow, this is what we were missing. See the parking spots in here because the windows are all fogged up. You're good to go. Just leave it right here.
It's gonna keep doing that.
It'll stop soon. There it goes. Dude, whoa. Past those apartment buildings.
I've never seen lightning like that, ever.
Whew. Doesn't look so tornadic anymore. It's just very frequent. You can just see past the buildings. Whoa.
I don't know. I do that all the time. I don't know why I do it. My SD card stays running. It's had a good run today. It hasn't quit on me yet.
That's good.
And it is almost 10 o'clock.
Sprinkling now. Sweet. Dude, feel how cool it is outside. It feels amazing outside. I'm gonna get out for a little bit. Man, it must have been like a 25, 30 degree drop from 100 degrees. I wonder if you can see that on the video. Holy cow. No, you can't. It's flooded though.
Picking up again.
Not too much. Wow. It's in the clouds. All the way up above us. I'm gonna get back in now.
It picked back up on you, didn't it?
Yeah. And that guy just got out of his apartment looking at us.
I'm not looking in his house. That would be a little weird.
I don't know if you noticed, but there's a lightning storm going on behind him. I like the lightning storm.
Oh, it was really good at the beginning. Oh.
It's gonna be moved on here in about, oh man, I don't know. Lightning's all over the place now. It's like it's back building, maybe.
Wouldn't that be cool if it was?
Yes and no. Can't really see the bolts anymore. Whew. Oh, that was a good bolt.
Where's that bolt?
That was to the southeast. The rain's slowing down a bit again. Dude, it's starting back up in the west again.
Really?
Yeah. It's like semi-frequent back there. The northwest, actually. That was pretty. So was that.
I'm gonna give my mom a call.
You go ahead and do that. Would you look at that?
Hey, did y'all see that? Did you see that? Did you record it yourself?
Holy cow.
Oh man, that's cool. That was the best lightning I've ever recorded.
Dude.
And I got every bolt I saw pretty much. That's good. Well, I'm alright. Are you gonna upload this to your channel? Alright. So I guess I got 2 cameras then. Alright. Alright, I'll have to review it then. Alright, I'll see you here in a little bit. It's still going pretty good here. Alright, I'll see you later. Bye. My mom recorded it.
That's what it sounded like.
My mom recorded it. I got 2 cameras. Whoa.
Jeez.
I have 2 cameras now.
As do I. I don't use the other one anymore, though. You got every bolt that you saw? How was that possible?
Well, I didn't see the ones over here.
Yeah, you did. You saw flashes. You can see the bolts. You just have to turn the camera super fast. Within a few milliseconds, that's not even possible. Whew.
Well, I want to correct myself when I almost got every bolt I saw. That's what I meant.
If only we could have gotten every one of those. Oh!
I got that.
Really?
Yes, I did. It was right down the middle of the screen. I wish that was too, but it wasn't.
They look like power flashes a little bit. Some do.
Yeah, they're just so far off, and that one wasn't far off, but it was weird. My phone fits right in there.
Alright, so does mine. That's weird. I would say this is definitely a June 14th competitor. If it doesn't overtake June 14th, probably will. That looked like ball lightning.
It did.
So weird.
Oh. Just think yesterday we were recording awesome NASCAR Rumble videos, and today we're recording awesome thunderstorm videos. It's awesome.
Oh, holy cow, Marge.
What?
That's from that one movie. No, I forget what it's called. Day of Destruction.
Yeah,
There we
that's
go.
it. Category 6, Day of Destruction.
That was a good movie.
And it stopped recording.